goblet squat. It's easier to stay upright as you squat. That small shift allows many lifters to reach greater knee and hip flexion, increasing the amount of work your quads and glutes perform throughout the movement instead of chasing heavier weights too early. Use the goblet squat to maximize quality, depth, and control. Weight plate walking lunge. Instead of holding dumbbells at your sides, place a weight plate securely behind your neck across your upper traps. Stand tall, step forward into a long stride, and lower until both knees are bent under control. Push through your front foot and continue into the next step without losing balance.